Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Jasmy. There's something I want to talk about very quickly, and I'm just gonna go back in here and show you something really interesting. Okay, so I do think that Jasmy has someone that came to save the day. Okay, so Jasmy is probably not gonna go down from here, but it could actually start to pump up. Do you remember yesterday when we talked about the double top? And the double top has this technical targets all the way down here. There's something that we have to consider before Jasmy moves down there, and this can actually pump from here back up. So what happened? So what made this whole change for Jasmy? Well, I'm gonna tell you what happened here. So go back in there, and I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit, and I'm just gonna remove some of the drawings here. And there's something that I saw that I think has to be mentioned, and that is actually on the daily. So let's go back into the daily time frame. And if you look at the daily time frame, you do have Jasmy that, if I take the trend line here, is having this one support right over there. This is valid, and this is something that can be considered. So you do have one touch, you do have a second touch, and now you have a third touch. And then whenever you bounced off here, you went up, and you can actually go back up again. So we might be even looking at one big huge move up like this. And as far as I'm concerned, it's almost like you're making a channel. So 1 2 3 4, and you might go up here, get rejected again, and then come down and then continue like this. This is a channel in the making, and that's what I just had to experience. So basically, no, there is no breaking off the neckline and coming down, but I do believe that potentially we start to maybe close below this line and retest it again. Then we have good chances of taking this top, the top here to that bottom, and then you can have your technical target right there. So Jasmy has been saved, has been really saved right now, and this is because of this one trend line that you're looking at that actually came in and saved the day. Now let's go back and zoom in. So if you look at Jasmy right now, it has already made a decisive doji right over here, and I do believe this is the time that Jasmy is looking to potentially start to reverse to the upside once again. And of course, stop losses can be placed below here, and if you do come and take it out close below the trend line again, then down you go. So that's it for this quick update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.